go on peeps. So again, it's me, yaadbwaiistretch, there. So let's get it started, right? May I get the cat is out of the bag now, so I know what go on, as Oracle says. So she said we are separated and thing, which we are. It has been kind of hard, but I guess I have to live with it. You see me, I have to live with it and thing. It's sad. I still can't believe say that really go on and thing, but I have to just go and hold it. But I never know say I never really do want to tell nobody and thing, but like how it out now, she never tell them what really go on, so I tell them the reason why and thing. But before I get to that point, I get something off of my chest. You see me? You see, first in our life, like things always happen. You understand? Things always happen and thing, and when them things happen, you gotta have persons out there where them gonna rejoice after hearing this, and then you gotta have persons that say, me tell you this, and and the person will say, I told you so. But like, it's just what it is. At the end of it, it is what it is and thing. So, as I say, everything happens for a reason. As what them say, God the Father did get separated from his son. So, no one is too perfect or anything like that. That is really it. So, yeah. But, like, may I just get to the chase and make you know the real reason why. So, the reason why me and Island Girl is separated right now are because we're in separate places, you see me? We're separate locations and things. So, and that's why we separated and things. So, yeah, we separated, but the relationship not end. The relationship not end and thing. So, that is it. Make sure you get that. So, hope you guys aren't mad at us for doing this. And, we're not happy with we just make a thing, you do it and thing. But technically, she never lie. We're in a separate locations and thing because of work. Work hectic right now. So, we're going to do somewhere different for a little while until we get balance back everything. So that's it. But, we just want I know someone come. See like my facial expression them and see how me I go react on them thing there. But yeah, that is pretty much it. But what more I want to tell you still is that I just want you guys to still go over there and give her support, even though we're not gonna see her mostly by herself. I'll still be there, but I just want to give her the support as she hold on the thing like a woman should, you understand? So I just want to know, say Island Girl are there fully. So just support her and give her everything, you understand? So yeah, that is it, peeps. And I know now I cuss now and thing, but yeah. It's just that. So yaadbwaiistretch from 876 and chill again out. Peace.